Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the opener into Learn mode. Press and release the Learn button on the motor head, then watch the indicator LED. Once done, you'll have roughly 30 seconds to complete the sync, so be ready. Make sure your remote's battery is fresh and within a few feet. If you have multiple remotes, remove extras to avoid confusion. This fast entry step creates the brief window the unit uses to accept a new remote signal, act promptly and calmly. You now send the remote's code while the opener listens. Hold the remote within about 3 feet of the motor head, then press and hold the target button. You may need to press until the motor LED blinks or you hear a click. For rolling code systems, press twice or follow the opener's LED blink pattern exactly. The opener uses that pattern to verify the sequence. If you have a keypad too, program it now by entering its code after the opener acknowledges the remote. You finish by testing the door through one full open and close cycle to confirm reliable operation. If it does not respond, re-enter Learn mode and repeat the transmit step, first swapping in a new battery. Low power is the most common failure. Also inspect the motorhead antenna, make sure it hangs down and is unobstructed, because poor reception can mimic pairing failure. If repeated attempts fail, consult the opener label for model-specific programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.